So hey everyone, I'm Bharat Chandra and welcome to the Robotics Factory. Today in this video we are going to make a simple Python script that will produce the famous matrix effect from the Matrix movie. So without wasting any time, let's get into this. So very first we are going to import some basic modules for this project. The first one is import OS, second one is import sys, another one is import time, and the last one is import render. So the very first we are going to define a function that will produce the typing effect that we see in the movie. So we'll define a function called type message, and that will take message as the parameter. So we will run a for loop which will throw all the characters onto the console one by one. So for character in message we will system.std or dot write character. The another function we'll need is system.std out dot flush. So this will produce a typing effect. To make the effect more realistic, we will introduce some time delay. Time delay of 0.2 milliseconds will work for now, I guess. So let's test this function for now. So we'll create a basic variable that will create line 1 and we'll write hello Adula, my name. So let's call this function now, type message, and we'll write L1. I think this should work. Let's run, let's test this for a second. Oh, what the mistake I have made. Time.slave, everything is right. Import OS, import system, import one. We'll need to check what is going on here. Okay, I got the mistake. The function name is type message, and now we'll run this again and we'll see. Again, it is not running. It is running to be wanted, but it is not running. Okay, it is running very well. But we want to feel like a hacker, so we need that famous green and black effect. So for this we will use the OS module and we will use some functions. The very first function we are going to use is os.system, and the command we'll use here is color 0 and A. So the 0 here means black for background and A is green foreground. So I will just make a comment here, 0 for black background and A for green foreground. So let's test this one more time. Yeah, we got the required effect. And now we will create some lines that we want to print on the screen. So the first line should be wake up. The another line should be the matrix has found you, and the last line will write simple line as subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Okay, this is what. So for now we'll comment this for timing and we'll make a for loop. We'll make a list called message list and we'll add all the message in this message list, line 1, line 2, line 3. And now we'll run a for loop that will print all the messages in the message list onto the console. So for this we'll run a for loop for message in message list. We'll run this function type message for message. We'll also use a clear string function so that it clears every time I have to print something new. So we'll first introduce some time. For now, after typing all the messages, for now we will introduce some time delay that will make effects more realistic. Skip 1 second time delay will work. And we use os.system and to run another command called cls to clear the screen. After that we will give a time delay of somewhere around 2 seconds and then we'll create our matrix range. So for this matrix range we need some symbols that will just fall out from the window. Okay, so we'll create some symbol SYM symbol list. So the symbols we are going to use is 1, 0. We'll also be adding some random spaces in between. We'll check that out later in this video. So we'll create a variable called time is equals to 0 and we'll run a while loop while t is less than 30. Okay, and then we are going to print. We're going to print those symbols. So to print out those symbols, we're going to use, because we want some spaces before the symbols, random spaces before the symbols, we are going to use a function called random dot range, and that range will vary between 1 to 5, and we'll just multiply with the space. Okay, the another thing we need to print a string out of ones and zeros. So we'll use random dot choice, and that will say select the symbol from the SYM list. So I think we should check that out first, but before that we'll create some exit conditions. We'll increase time. T is equals we will increase t. T is equals to t plus 0.1 and with a delay of 0.1 seconds. I think this should work. We'll try running out. So here is a problem. We need to make some changes in the L3 we haven't introduced yet. So we'll run this program again. And now this program is working as expected. So here our main important thing we are going to see is the matrix range, but for now we will only see a single line string. Let's check that out. Okay, we saw the line string, but we want to take the whole complete window. So for this we are going to simply print that out again and again on this line. So we'll copy it and paste it again and again. So here we complete our Python script, and this is for today. And I hope you enjoyed and surely learned something. And if you like this video, make sure you check out my other videos as well and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye.